Alright, welcome back everybody. A disappointing result, Jamaica versus Mexico. However, we move on. Paul Hall, head coach of the Reggae Boyz, says he's still hopeful despite of the defeat. So in a article from the Jamaica Star, it says the national senior football team head coach Paul Hall says that they have not waved the white flag on the FIFA World Cup qualifying chances, despite losing 2-1 to Mexico at the National Stadium in Kingston on Thursday night. Daniel Johnson gave the Reggae Boyz a lead in the 58th minute, but goals from Henry Martin in the 81st and Alexis Vega in the 83rd completed a comeback in a game where Jamaica played an entire half with 10 men, after Damian Lowe was sent off just before halftime for a dangerous foul. Jamaica entered the game needing to win to begin the revival of their qualifying hopes, with games running out. Despite losing at home for the second time in the campaign and only accumulating 2 points in 4 home games, Hall said they will fight to the last. "I think as long as there's a mathematical chance, we are okay," Hall said after the game. "What I want to see from the players is that we can go somewhere and we can get a result. I will always, until the last minute, tell the players, let's go for the game, let's go for the win." With about 15 minutes to go, we thought we probably beat the Mexicans. Low sending off was the courtesy of the video assistant referee VAR system, which made its Caribbean debut last night. Even with the man disadvantage, the Reggae Boyz managed to improve their attacking play in the second half, with Johnson scoring his second international goal, then held the Mexicans at bay for half an hour. Changes were made to the defense late on as Javane Brown was replaced by Alvas Powell, with the former unable to continue. Despite the added defender, Jamaica conceded twice in the space of 2 minutes. Hall said the substitution was necessary for the players to share the responsibility, with some in their preseason with their clubs. "We tried to change them with the players that weren't in preseason," he said. "Javane asked to come off because I think he hit the brick wall. I just told him to be honest. If he can't carry on, just let us know." We wanted to get those guys to share the game when necessary. It may have contributed to the team losing, but there were many factors that contributed to the team losing. Despite praising the fighting spirit shown after the sending off, Hall says the Mexicans' use of the ball was the deciding factor. Jamaica leaves today for their World Cup qualifier against Panama on Sunday. So that's it there, guys. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know. I know we are all disappointed. Coach Hall says that he still thinks that we have a chance. I tend to disagree, but I'll still be there watching the games and hoping for good football. Alright? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a part of the family so you can stay in tune with what's happening in the Jamaica sporting arena.